Okay. Okay, you're about to be in the danger zone.
I was about to say, I need to get out of the way, don't I?
Just uphill. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is I'm going to ski out, and you're going to come to me one at a time, show me your stop, and we're going to work on the turn. So, Katie, you're first. Okay, hands up. Hands in front. Look where you're going. Good job. Don't look down. Look up. Okay, can you come right here? Macy.
Okay, Alan.
Good. Hands up. Hands up. Feet forward. Ah, don't sit down. Okay.
Don't go around and hold on, don't.
Okay, Nathan. Hands up. Look forward. Look forward. Pizza. 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 Okay. Let's see if we can be the only one who makes it. Hands up. Look where you're going. Make that pizza to control your speed. Come straight to me. Angelica, make that pizza. 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 Come to a stop. Use that pizza to stop, okay? Good job. Okay, guys, so when we fall, the way we get up is we point our skis across the mountain where they're not going to move. And we're going to push down with our uphill arm, okay? Look over here. Okay. Okay, point your skis across the mountain. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Literally, fall on your side. Right, left side, fall down. Okay. Okay.